Hi, my friends, how are you? My name is Zach Metuesta from Andean style El Foco. This time I'm going to show you a little bit about the second octave. The first video was about how to place the quena, so be around your lips and then blow straight, very soft. But now we're gonna if you play in first octave, you can do in second octave as well. At least if you're practicing a lot in first octave, right? Um, Most of the notes are the same position. What it change is the pressure on your lips. You gotta have more pressure, like you spilling something from your lips, from your mouth. Like you have a gum, you want to throw it away, like far away. What you do is you can do it without your tongue, without pushing your tongue, or using your tongue, like this, you know. But you can do both ways, you know. So in the quena, you it's kind of like the same, right? It's not a force; it's just more the pressure on your lips. Like it's not throwing too much air. It's throwing less air you can, but with more pressure, right? You know. So most the notes in half notes or flats or sharps are the same position, but the only one a change is gonna be the G, the low G, the first octave G. And that one you're gonna use the wide open note, everything open. First octave, second octave. Okay, it's only notes a change. You can use the same position as well, but it's not gonna come very in good tuning. It's gonna come like sharp or flat, you know. So like this. It's not coming very good. Sounds weird, but the best position is the wide open. And the rest of the notes are the same position. The only thing that change is the pressure you're doing in your lips. Like I told you, you gotta like close your lips and blow with more pressure. It's not too much air, it's more like pressure. The way you're gonna spill something, you're gonna throw something in your lips. When you find something in your lips that is not, you feel weird, what do? You throw it away, right? It's kind of like that, you know? Look, let's practice. Like I told you, you can use your tongue or you cannot use your tongue. I'm gonna give you two ways. Using my tongue first. Not using my tongue. It sounds a little bit different. It's kind of like the same, but it depends how you're gonna use it. It depends the song, your feeling, what you're gonna feel on that particular song you're making, right? It depends that because some musicians are different, or musician has different feelings to play one music, one piece, and sometimes I use one way, sometimes I use both ways, sometimes I mix it around, you know. So it depends how you're gonna use it. I recommend if you're practicing songs already, the like I told you in the last video that I'm in the first video that I made, like there are slow songs, like very simple songs. Try trespass the song in second octave. That way you play the song in second octave and you play the song in, I'm sorry, you play the song in first octave, how it is, how you start, and you play the song in second octave. So you play like a simple song for kids, right? Now play the same song as a second octave. That way you're practicing or practicing your scales, right? You know, so practice your scale, practicing the songs, and that's gonna help you a lot. Don't be desperate if it doesn't come out. That's what's happening is that you need to practice more because your muscles has to work more. So if you're not getting the second octave, that means that you need to practice more the first octave, more and more. That way your muscles be more stronger and you can do it, right? But it's very simple. Not, you don't need too much force, too much air, just a little bit pressure and your lips, like close your lips, less, little bit air, and like I told you, like you throwing something from your lips, like you want to throw something away from your lips, like any seed you have, when you eat maybe any fruit, an apple, and you have the seed and you feel the seed is in your mouth. You doing what you do is throwing away. You got in the yard, right? Kind of like that. That's the same. Well, thank you very much, my friends. I hope this video helped you a little bit and your journey to learn how to play the quena. See you in the next video. Next video might be I'm gonna give you some tricks, some to play the quena, or maybe we can do the third octave. Okay. Thank you. My YouTube page channel is Andean style videos. Thank you very much, and you can go to my eBay account where I sell instruments, bamboo instruments. That it is in eBay is Andean style mall. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you.